Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the box and accessories. This is where many fakes are exposed. First, find the 12-character serial on the box and on the case, make sure they match. Then compare print quality and fonts to a known genuine package. Poor printing or misspellings are red flags. Finally, confirm included accessories: a lightning cable, silicone tips, and the paperwork. Missing items or cheap plastic inserts suggest a counterfeit. Once done, move on to hardware checks. Now you examine the physical product itself. Pay attention to tiny details. Open and close the charging case to feel the hinge and listen for smooth magnets. Misaligned lid or loose hinge is suspicious. Inspect each earbud. Stem curvature, microphone and vent hole placement, and mesh quality. Fake mesh often looks glued or uneven. Weigh and feel the finish. Genuine AirPods Pro 2 have precise tolerances and a consistent matte shine, whereas replicas often feel lighter or rough. Make sure measurements line up. Finish by verifying software behavior. This confirms authenticity in most cases. Pair the case with an iPhone and watch for the genuine pop-up animation and the exact model name, no generic labels. Test adaptive audio, noise control switching, spatial audio, and Find My integration. Fakes often miss features or have faulty firmware. Also check firmware version in settings. If something fails, confirm the serial on Apple support pages or contact AppleCare. This troubleshooting step resolves most doubts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.